Hello guys, today, we'll break down the wiring for a forward-reverse starter connection. Let's start the video. In a single-phase motor, there are two types of winding, running winding and starting winding. These two windings have four wires. R1, R2 are ends of running winding wires, and S1 and S2 are ends of starting winding wire. To change the direction of the single-phase motor, we have to reverse the connections of the starting winding. To change the connection of starting winding, we will using two contactors, one contactor for forward connection and the second contactor is for reverse connection. As we know that, single-phase motors are not self-starting, that's why we use a capacitor to self-start the motor. Let's understand the connection of forward-reverse starter. Step 1. Power supply connection. Connect phase and neutral wires from the MCB to the input terminals of forward contactor. Step 2. Running winding connection. Connect the phase wire from contactor output to running winding wire, R1. Now connect the neutral wire directly to the running winding wire, R2. Step 3. Capacitor connection. This is the critical part. Connect a wire from phase wire with capacitor wire, C1. And then connect capacitor wire, C2, to one of the contactor terminals. Step 4. Starting winding connection. Now connect the capacitor wire from the contactor to starting winding wire, S1. After that connect the neutral wire from the contactor to the starting winding wire, S2. Motor's forward connection wiring is completed. Now if we start the contactor, motor will run in forward direction. Let's understand the reverse connection wiring. Step 5. Reverse contactor connection. For reverse direction, we have to reverse the connections of starting winding. For that, connect the phase wire from the capacitor wire C1 to the reverse contactor terminal. Now connect this wire from the reverse contactor output to wire, which is connected to running winding wire, R1. After that we have to connect a wire from the capacitor wire C2 to reverse contactor terminal. Now connect this wire from the reverse contactor output to the wire, which is connected to the starting winding wire, S2. Now connect the neutral wire to the reverse contactor and then connect this wire from the contactor output to the wire, which is connected to the starting winding wire, S1. All the connection wiring is completed. And that's it. You've learned successfully wired a single-phase forward-reverse starter connection. If you find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more electrical tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.